purpose of the textile reuse and recycling commitment is to create a quality system for the collection of textiles. The end goal is, of course, to have increased levels of collection. The expected outcome is a code of conduct for collectors of textiles and a more overarching commitment for the entire textile sector. The next step after this project will be an implementation of the actual system and trials for collectors.
So what is the purpose of your work with the Nordic strategy for textiles?
The purpose of the project is to develop a strategy on how to increase and improve the collection, reuse and recycling of textiles in the Nordic region. And in order to do that, we have developed different scenarios for handling textiles and textile wastes. The strategy defines how the Nordic region can continue working with the issue, and it describes necessary changes and proposes policy measures for how to increase and improve the collection, reuse and recycling. We hope that the strategy will serve as one important puzzle piece in the development of a Nordic roadmap for a sustainable textile chain.
So you're working with producer responsibility. What is the aim of your project?
Well, the aim of this project is to create different types of policy packages for extended producer responsibility and for new business models. What we're hoping is to create some policy packages that will reduce the environmental footprint and also which will increase the Nordic competitiveness. What we're hoping, or the outcome of this project, will be 3 different policy packages. One for a mandatory extended producer responsibility system, one for a voluntary extended producer responsibility system, and one is a pool of policy measures for business models. What we're hoping will happen is that the relevant actors will get together and look at these different policy packages and discuss which will be more beneficial for Nordic competitiveness and also for the environment. Hopefully in the end they will implement the ones which suit them best.
And what exactly is entailed by extended producer responsibility?
Well, the short version is that the producer responsibility makes sure that the producer takes responsibility for the entire value chain. So they take responsibility for the production, but also the end of life for the textile products.